Hey guys, Nikki here. We got this beautiful Yaki wig from Klaiyihair. So if you're interested, please continue to watch. Hey guys, look at this unit we got from Klaiyihair, guys. You guys know I love their hair. Okay, so this is a straight wig. That's what we're working with. It's so much you can do. It's bust down, middle part right now, but you can switch this over to the side part. You can do that. This is their new cap construction. There is a drawstring at the back. We love us a drawstring in case you want to wear it up, right? This is a Yaki texture. You guys know how I feel about Yaki texture. And look at that, how good that look straight out the box. So let's just get into the specs and get into styling this wig. Y'all want to do that? Let's do that. So like I said, there is a drawstring at the back. This is so it can fit every head shape. Big old heads, small heads, you know. You pull the string and you just tuck it. You can even wear it up. We got a middle part, but I want to, let me just see. All right, guys, so this is a 24-inch Yaki by Knot wig, okay? Look how good that is. It is a 7x5, meaning it comes about right here. You don't have to worry about this right here and cutting your ear tabs, okay? So perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and spray this down. But you guys know Yaki is my favorite texture of hair. Do you have to gel? Do you have to glue this wig down or anything? Absolutely not, because look, you could just wear it like that, comb it, and you're out the door, right? But I always just put a little adhesive on my hair. And that's what we're about to do. I always take the even spray and just spray it. Just randomly, and then rub it in with my fingers. That's just to help melt the lace a little bit. I'm gonna take my fan. All right, guys, our spray has settled in. Let's just go ahead and try to get rid of that white cast on that lace with the foundation that I already have on my face. It's gonna bring it on in. That's a nice little melt right there. Hot comb. Wax stick. Brush. All right, guys, we've successfully converted over to a middle part. Okay. I love that. And guys, just like that, we're right back to the middle part. The side part, the middle part. Y'all want to see how good this Yaki hair curl? Do you? Do you? Do you? Let's just see. All right, guys. I want you all to see how easy this hair curls. That's my favorite part about Yaki hair, baby. He curls with no problems. So I just got some. I wish I had some curlers a little bigger. I'm gonna curl this old-fashioned way. Y'all remember how we used to curl her back in the day? Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Do one more and y'all get the point. So what I did was just do some little loose curls in there so y'all could see what I'm working with. I didn't want it too curly because I'm not even sure I want to wear it curled. But I just wanted you guys to see how good and simple it curled. This is just like 4 curls on each side, child. Look at this side. Back. It's just some gorgeous hair. Alright guys, and last, let's see how this will do if we do like a little, my little favorite style. Yeah, I love this style. Let's see how long these are though before I do this. It's kind of like half up, half down, but I'm not going to do a ponytail. It's going to be more with a clip. Alright guys, I will leave all of the information that you would need to know about this wig along with a discount code in the description box. Make sure you check not only this wig out, the variety of other wigs that they have to choose from over on the website. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.